Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called display, and after you find it, tap on it. Now find the option called auto lock, and once you find it, tap on it. And here we have the list of durations we can select from. We have 5, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds. Select the one you like, for example, 20 seconds, and then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And now my screen should turn off automatically after 20 seconds of inactivity, so it's gonna take a bit of a time to turn it off, but it should be quite soon. I would even say like right about now-ish, I guess, still. Oh, here we go. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.